Hey, YouTube friends and family. Yes, I am still juicing. You've been catching my shorts, but truth be told, this is the second $25 haul. I found out with the last one due to New Year's and all that, I missed some days of juicing for sure. So we spent a little bit more than $25 on this trip. We spent 30 along with I grabbed two things from Aldi's that were like totaled a little over $11. But it was a better price overall than I would get at Aldi's. Did I say Aldi's or Costco? Rewind, my bad. Okay, so I picked two items up from Costco that will put the full haul for juicing supplies up to $40. But again, this will last me 2 weeks. This is my only my second haul since I got the Nama Juicer for before Christmas. So let's go over their sales and specials and what changed this week. So this celery, of course I get two every time. When I juice, I just chop the whole thing off, wash it, and I juice a whole pack of this because I make my juices for 2 and 3 days at a time. So the celery was $95 the last time, but this time it is $80. It was $139. So it went up about 50 cents, which helped increase the total. The ginger. Now, of course, this is enough ginger for the 2 weeks, and it's 8 ounces, but it is the cheapest place to buy ginger, and it is $1.99. This was a new thing. One mango that will add so much to a juice. And they were $1.39 a piece. So that was one of those pricey things. The grapes. You know they do their grapes by the pound. So you may not need this many grapes. I probably don't. But it'll go into 2 juices. So those were $4.46. That's why it was so high. I should have took some of them grapes out. That was $4.46 because it's almost 3 pounds. Like 2.6 pounds. A whole bag of lemons with 4 lemons? Are you serious? It's 4 lemons in this bag. Oh my goodness. So they are a little pricey. Let me see. I don't know what I paid for them. Heck yeah, they're a little pricey. $2.29. So on lemons, you might come out better buying them individually somewhere for 79 cents a lemon if you only need 2 or 3. But I was at Aldi. So that's where I went. That's what I got. Kiwi fruit. It was $2.69. And you got 5 kiwi fruits. Oranges. Now, cameraman loves the fresh orange juice. I like to add it to my juices. So, these were on sale this week for is it $2? $3.49 a bag for Cara oranges. But that was only 6 oranges. Woo-hoo! That was only 6 oranges. $3.49. And that was supposed to be the sale. I don't know. The 2 oranges off my tree was free. So this is why it's $30. Aldi playing games. But the Cosmic Crisp Apple. And you know I try to weigh this because it's supposed to be 2 pounds. And with the bag being open, I probably should have weighed it. $2.89 for the bag. And it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 apples in there. $2.89. We so in trouble. These were on sale, $1.69 a piece. So that was a good deal. And the spinach is on sale for the whole bag. And it is $1.29 a bag. So that's a decent deal. And then I bought 3 And I went with the cheaper cucumbers because one of them cucumbers rotted on me. But the other two were fine. So I'm going to take back that receipt to the store I got it from because I got 3 things I had a problem with and I'm getting my money back. So that's going to balance this back down to 25 when I finish because they paying me back for the apples. It was 2 of them in there rotten to the core. They're going to give me my money for that $1 and something sweet tea I bought because it was stuff floating in it in globs. I even kept the bottle with the juice in it, with the tea in it. And the apples, and I'm going to tell them about that cucumber that went rotten, but the other 2 were fine. So that was weird. And I'm going to get my $1 back for that. So I'm going to get some money back and work that Aldi promise. They want to charge all this money. We can't let them come short. Take that receipt back. Take some of the product back. See what you can get your money back for. So, and they supposed to give you a free product too. On anything that says twice as nice, they give you a free product. So don't be scared. Closed mouths don't get fed. So you need to speak up. But these 3 cucumbers were 75 cents. So I'll peel and juice them because I don't like if it ain't wrapped in plastic, you don't know where it's been. It rolled on the floor. It did everything else, did some flips. You just never know. So I peeled those because they weren't even wrapped in plastic. So that is the haul. It was $30. Let me see here. $30.19 at the Aldi. And this will juice for a week. Now, the 2 items from Costco, if you check out that haul, were a 5-pound bag of pears and some pomegranates. So let's see what kind of juices we can create for the next 2 weeks. Because I'm the only one drinking juice. This is enough for 2 weeks if stored properly. And as cold as it's going to be like a refrigerator in this house, it's going to last for the 2 weeks. And I'm going to get much, much juice. These I'm going to have to wait 3-4 days on anyway. They are not ready. Nowhere near ready. So I'm going to keep one on the counter and probably put one in the fridge or something. And it's going to take me 3-4 days to get to this because it is not ready. So I hope you like this quick juice haul. We're going to keep those Nama J2 juicers going. Get the benefits, the health benefits of consuming all of our daily fruits and vegetables. And hopefully lose a pound or 2. We're going to see. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this is helping you. Stay on board with this juicing on a budget. And prep and pray. Stay warm in these cold, cold days. And plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. So we can stop buying some of this stuff and get it out our backyards. I love you to life. Have a wonderful day.